Welcome back to my Road to 3K iRacing series, and today we're here at the Charlotte Motor Speedway. But first of all guys, I want to thank you so much for the major support on the last video, because we got 15 comments in total, which is crazy. I think that's a new record for us. And today we're going to continue the series, and I'm glad you tuned in. But this track is an oval track, and I hate oval tracks. Sorry guys, I'm just not good at ovals. I'm really bad at this track. I practiced now for like 1.5 hours, but I still can't really get like the good race pace in. So that's a big problem, but I really wanted to record this video for this YouTube week to keep our streak of now I think 7 or 8 weeks of uploading in a row, which is really nice. But I'm really scared to lose some iRating here, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm just going to try my best. I have 50 minutes left to practice now, so let's get some laps in, and then I'll see you guys into the qualifying session. Okay guys, I just hopped into the qualifying session and we're so cooked. As you can see in the leaderboard, there are actually a lot of guys with 2.3k iRating or with 2.1k iRating. And when I did my practice laps, all laps just felt bad, and we're so far off the pace, so I think we're going to struggle a lot there. And I think our goal is going to be damage limitations in this episode of our Road to 3K iRating. But yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. Let's try to warm up the tires properly now, and then I'll take you guys with me for a hot lap. Just trying all I can do. Oh no, I braked too late. I'm such an idiot. Fuck! Okay guys, everything went wrong what could have gone wrong, but let's just try to get it again in the next lap. Some people already getting their first times in and they're crazy fast, so that's not ideal. Ah, that was bad, but it is what it is. Alright, up half a second, that's what we're talking about. Okay, that was clean. Still half a second up. That's lovely. Let's now not do anything weird into the last corner, because we really need this lap. We went slightly too hard to the corner, but we get away with it. And we get a 136.2 or 3. Ah, that's not ideal. And it's really slow, but just I think the maximum I can get out of this track, because I'm really bad at this track. So I think it's gonna be really tricky in the race, because normally you start up front, but now we gotta just manage, stay out of the problems, try to survive, because a lot of people will crash here on this narrow track. So let's just stay out of trouble, guys, and see what the race will bring us. But this is going to be a difficult one. Okay, guys, I just noticed something crazy. Apparently there are 20 cars in this lobby. I don't know how this is possible, because normally they're always 12. But since this is already like a slipstream track and we're driving the MX-5, it's going to get crazy. Oh, P6. We dropped 1 place, about P6 out of 20. I'll happily take that, since this is my worst track by far. Oh, but now no way back, guys. Let's see what we can do here. Let's lock in, guys. Alright, alright. Good start. Oh, okay, guys, we survived so far. Let's focus. These cold tires are so scary. I'm looking at my back mirror so much, because I just have so much traumas from last episode when someone took us out. But we created quite a big gap, and the guys behind us are fighting. So let's try to just pull away from that group and stay with this leading group. Then I'm happy. Oh, wow. Okay, we gotta be really careful with that. I forgot one really, really important thing, and that's I was in the slipstream of that, guys. So of course you have way more top speed getting into that chicane. So I need to brake much earlier there. I totally forgot. Oh, wow, he's sending it. Okay. That might end up in tears. Let's stay sharp on that. Oh, now we have to overtake him. I don't like that. Not really what I want. Oh Oh yeah, now they're battling. That's actually perfect. And I can hopefully pull away. Ooh, okay guys, P4 it is. But it's far from over. And apparently this race is only 10 minutes, I just noticed. No idea why. Oh, I'm so bad into this corner.
Hi, I'm stupid.
Okay guys. He might attack us here, but I don't think he will. And we gotta remember here to brake earlier. So I'm going to brake slightly earlier than my normal braking point. Around here it is. Such a hard corner. I'm really bad at it. If this guy is going to fight too hard, I'm just going to let him go because it's not worth it. But we'll see what he'll do. Okay, fortunately he backed out. I'm actually really happy with that. Yeah, I'll let him go. Oh wow, he had a big moment there, but we'll stick behind for now. Because I just want slipstream. Otherwise I'll be a sitting duck. You gotta watch out here. Oh, got a slight tap from behind, all good. Please watch out, mate. Oh, I'm so scared of getting taken out. I got so much traumas from last video. I couldn't turn in there because I had to wait slightly, but now there's someone right behind him. So I hope they'll battle and I can pull away with this guy here. And that's all I need to do. Stay out of trouble and just try follow these guys in front of me around. Oh, hit the wall there. That's insane. Oh no, this is going to cost me a lot of time. I'm really bad into this corner. You can tell this is costing me so much time. And the problem is that behind me there are 3 cars and it's a little bit too much. Oh, they're fighting again. I think these are the same guys. Quite a weird place to try to overtake, but yeah, who am I? Because, yeah, you know that's going to happen, so I'll overtake you gladly.
The car in C7, just left the fastest lap, 35.1.
All right. Oh, we're halfway through the race, guys. This is so scary. Oh, I braked so hard because I wasn't paying attention. Okay, still not ideal, but that was quite okay, that corner. Oh, this is so scary because you can't pull away. They have slipstream and they're just right back at you. Whew. But let's try to get a good run here. Okay, something happened behind me. I'm not sure what, but that's actually perfect. I love that. So let's just try to follow this guy around. And now we have a nice gap of 2 seconds, so let's keep it like that.
The gap is 2.1 seconds.
Oh. Sir, please watch out. Don't take me out, please. I won't attack you. I want to pull away from those guys.
Fourth position.
I'm fourth? What? Oh, someone crashed. Or, oh? I don't know. I thought I was a P5. But we're not there yet, so let's lock in. I might gotta go for it because I'm right up at this bumper. No, I'm not going to. I don't care. It's not worth it. It's a long race. And, no, it's not a long race actually, but...
Car right, clear.
the thing is that we have slipstream from him, and if we attack, then the guys behind me can just get close. And I just want to pull away from these guys. And now, if I want to overtake him and to get at podium spot, I'm probably going to do that in the last lap, because then we can just pull away. Oh wow, okay, now I might overtake him because I had a really good run, or I'm not sure. I might be a little bit too far away. I think I am. Yeah, I could go for it, but it doesn't really matter. I hope he understands now that I'm not going to attack him, because then he won't take too much risk either. I don't think I got it off track as well, so it's really good for our safety rating. Only someone that touched me from behind, but I'm not sure if I'm getting contact points for that. I saw a 0x, so I'm not sure. Okay, nice. It's going pretty well, I would say. My best and last lap time are literally so slow, so that's funny. But yeah, I don't really mind. I'm so bad at oval racing, so I just want to survive at this point, and then it's all good. Ooh, he made a mistake there. My man. And the guys behind me disappeared. I don't know what happened there. Okay, guys, I think this is the penultimate lap. So there's gonna be one more. Let's try to fake send it here. I actually should have gone for it. But I wanted to line up for this corner. Because now I should have a better exit and have slipstream. And then I prefer to go around the outside, because that will turn the inside to the next corner. Oh! Oh, lovely stuff. Ooh, wow, what an overtake, guys. He tried to go with us, but we, of course, didn't allow him. And now it's all about getting that podium spot back home. But we're not there yet, because he has slipstream now on the very long straights. Or yeah, the oval, I don't know how to call that. Alright, getting a good exit here. We need to pull away as much as we can through here to make his slipstream less effective. And now a good exit here, please. Let's check our mirrors. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, oh, I thought I braked on time, but apparently I did not. I braked way too late, but unfortunately I'm very lucky that he got off by that as well. This exit will give me the podium or not. It's all about this exit now. Ooh, okay guys, it's going to be tricky. I think the gap is big enough. Let's say on the inside here to get the least distance as possible to get off. I think it should be too far away, or it's going to get a crazy sand here. Oh. Oh, did we get it? Oh, I tried to block him, but I think we got it. Oh, wow, that was so close. GG's. Oh, wow, podium. I didn't expect that. That's crazy. It's actually so bizarre that if you look at the gaps of the other cars, it's all about to get a good qualifying position and surviving here. Because with 20 cars on this track, on this relatively low iRating of 2K, then you're cooked. Oh, my heart's racing. I never had like a moment to rest during this race. Ooh, okay, I'm happy we survived, guys. Oh, yeah. You can see the gaps here that quite some things happened. Let's look at the results, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. The results are in, so let's have a look. Oh, wow. We gained 77 iRating. That's insane. And oh, yes, we gained a lot of safety rating. I'm actually so happy with that, because in the previous video, we lost a bit of iRating, of safety rating, I mean, because of those incidents. And we had 0 incident points. That's really good. I'm really happy with it, especially since it's my worst track by far. But wow, we actually getting a lot of iRating, so that's crazy because it was a really big lobby, of course, with a lot of drivers. So I think we made some really good progress, going towards 2.2k iRating, and we're really close to the 4 safety rating, guys. And if we get 4 safety rating, then we get promoted to C class, and then I can do endurance racing with the MX-5 and a GT4, and I'm really hyped for that because I love endurance racing. So I'm going to lock in, get that 4 safety rating, and hopefully, guys, you can record a first endurance race soon, so let me know if you guys like that. And for now, yeah, I think even though this is my worst track, I'm not going to do 2 races, which I normally do, because I'm just scared for another one to lose iRating because it's so chaotic. But I think it was fun. I think we did pretty okay. It wasn't really good, but it was fine. So if you made it to the end, guys, thank you so much for the major support. I actually read all the comments as well in the last video. It means a lot to me. And yeah, we keep on pushing for my goal for 3k iRating. Hopefully see you guys in the next video. And for now, thank you for watching and ciao.